Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance.
Honest review of the WOLFBOX G850 4K Rearview mirror camera. If you're on the hunt for a premium quality dash cam that combines functionality, style, and cutting-edge technology, the WOLFBOX G850 4K Rearview mirror camera is worth considering. Packed with features like voice control, WDR night vision, and a 12-inch 4K touchscreen, it promises a seamless driving experience. Let's dive into an honest and detailed review of this product, highlighting its strengths and weaknesses. Key features of the WOLFBOX G850. 1. Large 12-inch 4K touchscreen. To begin with, the WOLFBOX G850 boasts a 12-inch 4K front camera, ensuring sharp and clear footage. This allows you to read license plates, road signs, and other essential details effortlessly. Coupled with a 1080p rear camera, this dashcam provides comprehensive coverage, making it ideal for all driving scenarios. 2. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. Moreover, the inclusion of 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi technology makes connecting to your smartphone faster and more stable than traditional Wi-Fi options. With real-time video access and sharing through the WOLFBOX app, reviewing footage or sharing memories with friends and family becomes incredibly convenient. 3. Intelligent voice control. Another standout feature is the advanced voice control system. Simple voice commands let you record videos, take photos, or switch views without lifting a finger, enhancing safety and minimizing distractions while driving. 4. WDR night vision technology. Additionally, the dashcam is equipped with WDR technology and a low reflectivity LCD screen, ensuring excellent visibility in various lighting conditions. Whether you're driving at night or dealing with harsh sunlight, the G850 delivers clear footage. 5. Built-in GPS and included accessories. For added value, the G850 comes with a 64 GB memory card and built-in GPS. The GPS tracks driving speed, direction, and route, offering critical evidence during accidents. The inclusion of essential accessories means you can use the dashcam straight out of the box. Pros of the WOLFBOX G850 dashcam. Exceptional video quality, real 4K resolution ensures crisp and clear footage. Large touchscreen display. The 12-inch screen enhances ease of use and visibility. Advanced voice control, hands-free operation ensures safety while driving. Reliable night vision, enhanced visibility in low light conditions. Built-in GPS tracks route, speed, and position effectively. Included accessories. Comes with a 64G memory card and rear camera. Wi-Fi connectivity, faster and more stable wireless connection. Parking monitor and G-sensor. Protects your car even when it's parked. Cons of the WOLFBOX G850 dashcam. Parking mode requires extra hardware. The WOLFBOX hardware kit for parking mode must be purchased separately. Learning curve for new users. The touchscreen interface and voice commands may take some time to master for first-time users. Rear camera cable length. While sufficient for most vehicles, the 20-foot rear camera cable may not suit larger vehicles like RVs. Who should buy the WOLFBOX G850? If you're someone who values high-quality video, modern features like voice control, and a sleek design, the WOLFBOX G850 is an excellent choice. It's particularly suitable for daily drivers, road trip enthusiasts, and individuals who want an added peace of mind while driving or parking. Final verdict, is the WOLFBOX G850 worth it? In conclusion, the WOLFBOX G850 camera combines advanced features with reliable performance, making it a solid investment for 2025. Its 4K resolution, intelligent voice control, and WDR technology set it apart from many competitors. While there's room for improvement, particularly in parking mode integration, the overall value and functionality of this dashcam make it a compelling choice. IPDR, ready to upgrade your driving experience? The WOLFBOX G850 offers a cutting-edge solution for drivers seeking top-notch video quality, modern connectivity, and reliable safety features. Drive with confidence and let the WOLFBOX G850 handle the details. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below.